actually kind of like a breeding ground for like these small kind of fly things. So really the strategy here is to go right on the edge of these lilies. You can see right here, this is just beautiful. Just sit here and pick off, and I'll show you what we're using for bait. We're using these fake worms, but they look really convincing. So what I do is, we're fishing for small fish, so I just rip off a piece, and I have these really small hooks. I just like to really knot up. And now all you do is aim over here by the lilies, cast out, and see how long it takes you to get a bite. Got one already. It's a fish. So pretty instantly we're on a fish. Let's see. Really small bluegill. Oh, and there he goes. Quick release. So yeah, I'm just gonna basically, that's gonna be the plan here, is to just work my way up this bed and see what I can catch. I got a bite there. Usually with sunfish, they'll bite your bait basically instantly. And if they're interested, they'll eat it. They're not really super picky fish, so pretty much they know what they want to eat and they eat. So if you don't get a bite within a couple of minutes or a minute of casting somewhere, reel in and cast out again, because likely there's no sunfish there. They would have eaten the bait if they noticed it and they wanted it. So even there, I did not like where I was casted, so I'm just gonna kinda reposition. So it's kind of like right here. And I'm just gonna let myself get kind of lost in it because I know there's fish here. Never mind, I'm not getting that close. So that was the first bite we've had in a while. Let's see, do you still have our bait? Okay. So I'm just gonna cast straight into there. That seems to be a good strategy. still have our worm, which is good. We can just cast straight back out there. Nice little bluegill. And let's just back out of this stupid back out. There we go. Alright. Now I can deal with this guy. Just dipping back in for a little bit.